Every time the camera rolls, someone makes noise above me. She was here. What's up? Can you tell what I have? I actually don't have anything. I just want to do this for the next 20 minutes. Do I have a career in carton tapping? I was going to say box, but it's not a box. It's a carton. Do you like it? Okay. I have Harold's once again, and I have Arizona orangeade, but it's not chicken this time. This time it's scrimps. Let me just show you guys. There's mild sauce on top, and there's some French fries in there. You can see. I got some bread. I don't have coleslaw. That's okay. Well, let's see. I should have probably requested that they not put mild sauce on it, but I really wanted mild sauce on it. So let me pour these fries out. This is one of the rare few times that I didn't have the meal already prepped and plated, rather. You see that paper, that wrapping? I'll lick that later. Okay. So I have some kind of sad information. Remember I told you guys about the guy that wanted me to go to the store for him to get him cigarettes and alcohol and whiskey and all of that? And how I didn't want to do that? Well, I was downstairs waiting for this delivery, and the paramedics stopped in front of the building. Well, they came to get him. I don't know if he's all right or will be all right or not, but when he when they brought him out, he just looked yellow and just thin as a toothpick. So the building manager wasn't down there at the time, but right after they took him out, because she was on her break, she came through, and I told her what happened and everything, and she called his next of kin. You know, although, I didn't like when I found out why I was going to the store for him, I kind of had I was really against it. But despite all that, he was really a nice guy. I hate that he has succumbed to this disease or addiction or whatever. Well, hopefully he'll be okay. But I don't know. He looked kind of bad. Let's try to shrimp. What's a shrimp? Is it like a young strumpet? Anyway, I am not going to eat the tail. And you guys know that I really, other than like shrimp fried rice, I don't typically do shrimp because I get afraid that I'm going to have an allergic reaction, like itchy throat and stuff. So if you see me acting funny, that's what happened. So in my neighborhood, we had about 14, 15 inches of snow. Nothing was cute today. I did not go to work. Did you guys get a lot of snow where you were? Mm. Where the tail at? Okay, because I don't want to eat the tail. It tastes pretty good though. I don't really need that bread. Um, I finally finished Bridgerton, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. However, while everybody else is gaga over the Duke, the guy who plays the Duke, I mean, don't get me wrong, he's eye candy, but I'm really head over heels for the young Bridgerton brother. Oh, he's a hottie, and he got a nice ass too. Mm. I love me a white boy with a booty. Some of my favorite videos are of white boys with big juicy booties twerking. I love it. Anyway, that's another story. I loved the first season of Bridgerton, quietly, patiently awaiting for season 2, which I hear they're going to focus on the eldest Bridgerton brother. So now I'm looking for something else to watch. And a couple of people have mentioned The Queen's Gambit to me. Have any of you seen it? Do you recommend it? All I heard is that it takes place in the 50s and 60s, but I'm not sure how many seasons it's been on or whatever. But usually, I'm not a big fan of movies that take place in the 50s or 60s. But I'm going to give it a whirl anyway. Just, well, just for shits and giggles. We'll see. But if it starts boring me, I'm turning it off. Mm. Like, comment. And if you're new to the channel or you've been watching but wondering if you should subscribe or not, hopefully this video will make the difference. Tomorrow at 3 p.m. my time, Chicago time, that's CST, Central Standard Time, there's going to be another Child with Shoes, where my guest will be Zach Winniff from Glasses Limited. He is a subscriber slash friend of mine, but we've never we haven't met face to face yet. I haven't met any of the people that I've been live with other than Will face to face. Come to think of it, but at any rate, he's going to be on with me for some chow and some chat. So hopefully, if you guys are around at that time, it's a little bit earlier than 5 or 6 p.m. But if you don't get to watch it as it's streaming live, maybe you can watch the replay later. And if you're in the market for some really nice high-end glasses, shades and stuff, he's going to be, having a few examples with him. So come through. Believe it or not, a video was not in the cards today. It really wasn't. I have been dying to try their shrimp. And because I usually don't eat shrimp. I could have totally had this without the sauce. And it would have been, no, it would have been plain. It's better with the sauce. I do want to thank you guys for really, I'm glad you appreciate my video, my home run in video. And the humor. I watched it back, and I normally don't do that. I normally don't watch my stuff back. I said, let me watch this beginning, because I knew that's when the story, that's when I was telling the story. And when the Happy Thanksgiving came, and I just went on about it, didn't look, didn't laugh. It was just, I said, oh Lord, old age. I don't know why Thanksgiving came out of my mouth. Mm. And believe me, I'm going to be doing Harold's again. Because I'm not done with those fish tacos. I'm going back for those. I just want y'all to be prepared. I want 2 fish tacos and 2 chicken tacos. I want them both with extra sauces. I totally don't need the bread. Not at all. Okay, have any of you guys ever done this? Or you like totally lick the paper? I'm sorry. There's so much good sauce on here. Now, I wouldn't do this in the public or not in front of a cute guy that I was dating or something. If we were a couple, I would do it at home, but I wouldn't do it in the public. Appearances are everything. Yeah. You know, mild sauce has that hot sauce in there because I can feel my scalp gets a certain feeling when I taste hot sauce. The cayenne, the cayenne pepper, I don't know what it is, but I think it's the pepper in it. I just gave y'all some true pigdom on freaking camera. You talking about I've been doing this for much longer probably than I should be doing it because I don't even care. Because you know what I know? Y'all do the shit too. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate it. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow, 3 p.m. CST. That's Chicago time for Child with Choose. Hopefully you all can, participate in the chat, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye.